Urgent upcoming Shiba Inu Coin price rally going to make you a millionaire, explained. The euphoria around meme-based cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has translated into a rapid surge in accumulation recently. The number of Shib holders has now hit an all-time high after peaking at 1.22 million. This historic peak comes after a period of strong accumulation of late. There has also been a hike in whale holdings as strong bullish signals were sent across the crypto industry for Shiba Inu. Today we're going to talk all about why Shib will hit 10 cents in the coming days. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 27th of September, shall we? Shiba Inu has seen quite an uptrend in price lately, with gains of over 2% in the last 24 hours. This has effectively reduced its losses over the last 7 days to just around 1.63%. Now, although it is still over 60% off its all-time high, recent moves have been positively received by its holders. Taking a look at Shib's price movement over a 6-hour period, the resistance level was found to be around 1,224 hundred millionths of a dollar, while the support was around 1,033 hundred millionths of a dollar. The relative strength index flashed a fairly bullish trend, with the RSI angling north a bit from the neutral line. The directional movement indicator, DMI, also seemed to be showing the signal and plus DI line above 20, a bullish move. The 6-hour time frame highlighted an upward trend in terms of price action between the 22nd and 24th of September. Looking at the RSI on the 24-hour time frame, the overall trend was still bearish, albeit a weakening one. The DMI on the same time frame revealed the signal line and the plus DI resting barely over 20, also indicating a waning bearish trend and the possible start of a bullish one. The volume indicator underlined decent trade activities, with buyers taking a larger percentage of the trade volume. If the buying pressure persists, we might see Shib break its press time resistance. Once it breaks the same and is able to form new support, a further upward trend is to be expected. We could see it test the 1,400 hundred millionths of a dollar region. Over 30% of Shib investors have been holding it for over a year, according to Into the Block metrics. In fact, 67% have also been holding it for 1 to 12 months. Furthermore, more than 4.5 trillion Shib tokens have been transferred by the largest whales on Ethereum in the last 3 days. Despite such impressive narratives, could Shib face yet another resistance wall? Let's wait and watch. Now let's get back to the topic. According to whale movement tracker WhaleStats, the top 500 Ethereum whales are holding over $157.4 million worth of Shib tokens. In fact, the meme coin now occupies 5.3% of their entire holdings. The same platform also confirmed that yesterday over 600 billion Shib tokens were added to the portfolio of top Ethereum whales. The rekindling interest among whales is supposed to be a strong bullish indicator for the altcoin. Even so, recent price movement has not seen evidence of this, as we will see ahead. Earlier this week, there was a glimmer of hope for traders as whale activity started showing signs of recovery. Shib's whale transaction metrics recorded healthy whale activity over the last 7 days. However, it's what transpired in the last 2 days that is of particular interest. There was a higher concentration of whale transactions worth over $1 million in the last 2 days than any other period in the last 7 days. According to CoinMarketCap, Shib was trading at 1,299 hundred millionths of a dollar at press time after seeing a slight dip over the last 24 hours. However, the token's weekly gains still stood above 5%. This recent traction is helping Shiba Inu hold down the 10th spot among cryptocurrencies by market cap. While the weekly gains saw some respite over the week, trading profitability continues to dwindle on the MVRV chart. The MVRV ratio for Shib trading has seen red flashes for the most part since late August. This period precedes a time of greener pastures for Shib trading during mid-August. Another worrying development may be the volume of Shib trading in recent days. According to Sentiment, there's been a near 40% dip in the trading volume of Shiba Inu over the past 24 hours. This may mean that the recent spike in whale accumulation was nothing more than a facade. Shiba Inu burning portal ShibBurn recently posted an update on the token's burning mechanism. According to this update, there have been a total of 272,140,724 Shib tokens burned over 101 transactions in the last 7 days. While the burning process continues to wipe out innumerable Shib tokens from the supply, the token's price action continues to show major changes. At this point, a normal day for Shib trading seems like a big ask. Burn rate is a crucial metric for understanding how Shiba Inu can ever address the massive imbalance between supply and demand. Shiba Inu, down 2.22%, skyrocketed to fame as a popular meme coin with little to no intrinsic value. You simply bought the coin because it featured a cute dog as a mascot, and it only seemed to go up in value. For an almost comically low price of 12 millionths of a dollar, you too can still own a cryptocurrency with seemingly unlimited upside potential. But there's just one problem. The cryptocurrency launched with a massive supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, a 1 followed by 15 zeros. To put that into perspective, the current circulating supply of Ethereum is 122 million coins. The maximum total supply of Bitcoin ever will be 21 million coins. It's evident that Shiba Inu has a problem with oversupply. 1 quadrillion is an insanely high number. There's too much supply of Shiba Inu and not enough demand. Until it dramatically reduces the number of coins, its price has limited upside potential. For that reason, I've increasingly come to realize that there's only a single metric that should be used to value Shiba Inu: burn rate. This refers to the rate at which users are burning Shiba Inu tokens. The higher the coin burn rate, the better. Burning tokens does not imply that people all over the world are holding massive bonfires. It simply means they are permanently removing tokens from circulation by transferring them to a dead wallet where the private cryptographic keys have been thrown away. Looking at the total supply of Shiba Inu today, you might be puzzled to see a figure of 589.6 trillion coins. That would seem to imply that 410.4 trillion coins have already been burned. But that's really due to the efforts of a single person, Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum. The anonymous founder of Shiba Inu, known as Ryoshi, sent Buterin nearly half the supply of Shiba Inu as a gift back in 2020. Buterin promptly turned around and burned 410 trillion tokens. And it wasn't easy either. Burning that much worthless digital currency actually requires quite a lot of planning. Luckily, there are now publicly available sources that let you know how much Shiba Inu is being burned these days. According to estimates, 300 million tokens were burned in the first week of September alone. In one spectacular 24-hour period, over 100 million tokens were burned. In September, the average burn rate is now 23.67 million Shiba Inu tokens per day, which is up more than 138% from the average daily rate in August. No matter where you look these days, it seems like people are talking about ways to burn Shiba Inu. They have realized that an initial circulating supply of 1 quadrillion coins has devalued the currency. Burning is the only way to bring supply and demand back into balance. The logic is simple. More Shiba Inu has to burn for it to become valuable. Maybe I'm being too cynical about its future, but it's hard not to see every new project launched by the Shiba Inu community as a clever way to burn tokens and get them out of circulation. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!